Hi, I'm John Grimes, the Chief Executive of the Smart Energy Council.
And hi, I'm Warwick Johnston, and I'm the founder of SunWiz.
For a long time, the Smart Energy Council has sought to identify and reward industry-leading people and companies.
And SunWiz has been identifying who the leading retailers of solar power systems are since 2009.
SunWiz has determined Resinc installed more solar power last year in the Central Coast region than most other solar companies. We can say this with confidence, having performed a conclusive study of industry databases.
Of course, business size isn't the only measure you should use when choosing a solar retailer. Bigger doesn't necessarily mean better.
Which is why we're happy to report Resinc is also the #1 best rated solar business Australia-wide. Last year, Resinc received over 2,800 reviews with an average of 4.97 stars. That's 4 times as many reviews as any other company in the solar industry. So we encourage you to consider buying from Resinc. When it comes to size, local presence and customer satisfaction, they're head and shoulders above most others.